They are both full grown. Of all the trees that are in the wood, the holly bears their crown. The rising of the sun, the running of the deer, the playing of the merry organ, sweet singing in the bears the blossom as white as the lily flower. And Mary bore sweet Jesus Christ to be our sweet Savior. The rising of the sun, the running of the deer, the playing of the merry organ, sweet singing in the choir. A berry as red as any blood, and Mary bore sweet Jesus Christ to do poor sinners good. The rising of the sun, and the running of the deer, the playing of the merry organ, sweet singing in the choir. Holly bears a prickle as sharp as any thorn, and Mary bore sweet Jesus Christ on Christmas Day in the morn. The rising of the sun, the running of the deer, the playing of the merry organ, sweet singing in the choir. A bark as bare as any gall, and Mary bore sweet Jesus Christ for to redeem us all. The rising of the sun, and the running of the deer, the playing of the merry organ, sweet singing in the choir. In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow.
Is that how you play a violin like a guitar? Give us a wee tune.
What do you want?
Something minor and... something that sounds kind of like
Like the kind of Russian peasant music.
Yeah, well, it will suit your style of lunches that you eat. Very good. Thank you. Day 2 of my baking extravaganza, and today is the cake day. It's cake day. But before I thought I would get started, I thought I'd answer some of the questions I'm getting in the comments. I just thought it might be helpful for you. Loads of people were asking about my green beret. Can you share your green hat pattern? Now, all the patterns should be in the description. The green hat pattern is the stock and pip beret by Albina. Someone is asking what the green sweater with the splits up the side is called. It is called the Eon sweater by November Knits. That's the EUN sweater. So many questions about that hat pattern. Gail says, I'm loving your Vlogmas. What a cute little town. Is there a pattern for the water bottle cover? I've seen a few on Ravelry, but love Kate's. Water bottle cover, not sure. So the two you're maybe thinking of, I've knitted one before. It was a free pattern. I'm going to put the name here because I don't remember. I'll have to go and look it up. Or the Maxine hot water bottle cover is another one. Someone says, don't worry, my hair always looks like a scarecrow. What about a Paul Klee print in your daughter's bedroom? I've already bought the Kandinsky, so I think we're going with that. Julie Rogers, I think, is asking, at the very beginning of this post, I see a happy green coloured pipe going down into a cement trough. Is that a rainwater catch type setup? So yes, it would be if we put a bung in the bottom of it. So we need to find a suitable bung and then have an overflow. But that's the idea of it. It took us a long time to find that galvanised tank. We found it in the Lake District. And then we got the down pipe and the hopper made by a guy who does stainless steel stuff. And then we got it powder coated to match like the rest of the studio. So that's exactly what that is. A lot of people are asking, what's this sweater called? This is a jumper I got in the charity shop. It's vintage Shetland, but not made in Shetland, but it's Shetland wool. It's from the men's section of, I don't know what the brand is, maybe I can look. Oh, I can't see from here. But it's old anyway, and you'll probably not be able to find it. But you could probably, that's a close-up of the colours. You could probably try and do something similar. Someone says, try to rest like you mean it. I thought that was a good comment. I think that's most of the questions about my knitting anyway. What sourdough recipe do you use? So I use one that I went on a course to learn about sourdough. And I use their recipe because it makes 2 loaves. I will put it in, where will I put it? I'll put a photograph here and you can take a screenshot of it because I only have a hard copy. It's not like on the internet or anything. So I'll just put the picture here and you can write it down or take a screenshot. Yeah, they do always turn out really good. Usually, unless there's some disaster. I've been doing the sourdough now for about a year and a half, couple of years, so I'm kind of used to doing it now. There's a few people saying they bought the Woolly Thistles holiday box and my yarns in it, so hope you're enjoying that. Someone says, do you preheat your baking pan or put your loaf in a cold pan and put it in the oven? I don't preheat my pan. Never. I just shove it in there for 50 minutes or so at the highest temperature. Jennifer Coolander says, please don't say it's snowing like a blizzard. That is not a blizzard. In parts of the US we have gotten 3 to 5 feet of snow in 24 hours. That would be interesting. I don't think we've had that since 1969 or whatever that year was. But to me, a blizzard is when the snow's coming down. It's like falling fast. It doesn't say anything about how much has stayed. In Ireland, an inch of snow's like a blizzard because we never get snow. So Tossa is like a blizzard. Now you maybe don't have as much rain as us. We have many, many ways to describe rain. Right, I think that's all the questions. Now I'm gonna go start baking. I actually need to bake my cinnamon rolls from yesterday. They've been in the fridge overnight, so this is how they look now. So I think those bake for maybe an hour. Just need to check. Then you glaze them and then you put your cream cheese on. So I'm looking forward to doing that. That'll be a nice brunch. If I put them in now, that'll be a nice brunch.
Too long ago, our God, heaven cannot hold him, nor the earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall flee away when he comes to reign. In the bleak midwinter, a stable place suffice. The Lord God Almighty, Jesus Christ. Angels and archangels may have gathered there. Cherubim and seraphim throng the air, but his mother
Cake number 1 is in the oven. I'm gonna wash the bowl and start on cake number 2. You're very low. To be honest, that was a lot more simple than it was in my head. I mean, the assembly won't be that big of a deal. I don't have to do it until next week, but the stuff I was making yesterday was definitely more involved, like the cinnamon rolls and stuff. Although if I do end up making mince pies, I feel making the pastry might be hard. I don't know. Anyway, next on my list is, I'll put the recipe for this. This is my recipe. In fact, here it is. I'll try and write it out below because I don't really, like, there's no method. It's just, if you know how to make cakes, this is the ingredients list. It's like the bake off. Now I'm doing a lemon drizzle. That was a chocolate cake. So get my recipe out for the lemon drizzle. Now, there's going to be a lot of people at this birthday party, so I might need to double the recipe. Instead of making it in a loaf tin, I'm going to make it in a round tin, so I have to wait until these ones come out so that I can use these tins again, because those are the only cake tins I have. I tried to find a 5-inch cake tin. Those are 8 inches, so that I could do a tiered cake, which I really wanted to do. Oh, maybe I'll still go and have a look. There's one shop I haven't tried yet that I could go and have a look in. But first of all, I'm going to get all my ingredients together and then see where we're at. After that, I might nip down to that shop and see if they have a 5-inch. I'm sure they don't. I mean, where would have a 5-inch cake tin? Probably Amazon, but that ship is sailed. So, okay, so yeah, I think I'll double the recipe, because that would be enough to fit in a 2-pound loaf tin. And I'm not sure, when you're converting from a loaf to a round tin, I'm not sure how much more you need. And then if I'm also doing like, if I do end up doing a smaller cake, like for a tier, then I don't know, do I need a third extra, or do I just make double the amount and then make extra cakes and freeze them and put them in the loaf tin. Could do that. Let you know how it turns out anyway.
Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came inside, gathering winter fuel.
Well, how's cake week?
It's gone okay so far, yeah, it's quite efficient. I planned out my time fairly well, so hopefully I should make it to...
So what's your showstopper?
Well, hopefully it's going to be this lemon drizzle cake if I can find a 5-inch cake, and then I'm going to do a tiered cake. Would that impress you, Paul?
Not really, no.
Don't think so.
I want something extra. It needs to be a bit more extra.
Right. A bit more vibey.
Yeah. What are your flavours?
Lemon.
Oh. Anything else? What about a bit of cardamom?
Maybe some lime would be kind of interesting.
What about a bit of lemon and what else would you have? Doesn't really go with much, does it?
Paul, the big question is, am I going to make it through the bread week?
Oh yeah, are you going to make it through the bread week?
I don't know, you're the judge.
Well, I don't know until I tasted it.
That was the least spiffy spoof ever.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hither, page, and stand by me, if I knowst it telling. Yonder peasant, who is he? Where and what his dwelling? Sire, he lives a good league hence, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by St. Agnes Fountain. Hither, thy and I will see him line when we bear him thither. Each and monarch forth they went together through the rude winds while the men and the bitter water.
Yummy. Wow, Emma. Oh.
It's quite good, isn't it?
Really good. Very, very good. What's the jus on the top?
Philadelphia. Icing sugar. Vanilla bean paste.
Wow.
Is this the bit where you give me the handshake?
Nope.
Thank you. That was an intense couple of vlogs. A lot of baking. Hope you enjoyed it though. I'll leave all the recipes in the description. So I'm just going to sit down and start to edit now for half an hour. And then hopefully I'll get back to it later. I have some emails to do. Probably end up doing them tonight. And, oh no, I can't do them tonight. Anyway, I'll find some time to do them. And yeah, hope you enjoyed that. And until next time, bye.